few bricks. When I press the pedal, it pulls down this long beam, which I led to the top of my desk. So now I just need to find a way to connect that to this. The first thing I did was build a layer of plates over the monitor stand to create some support points. I then built a construction of slopes that I attached to the beam so that it would push itself away from the desk as it's pulled down by the pedal. After that, I could build another long beam and lead it to the controller. I mean, it works more or less, but that button is not pushed in far enough. The issue was that the slopes were positioned in a way that they could easily get stuck because of this tiny flat area. So I simply adjusted the construction by placing the slopes the other way around. I've tweaked the mechanism and it now works perfectly. Then I built the same mechanism twice more to also connect the remaining pedals to the controller. And I ended up connecting the center pedal to one of the joysticks because there are only 2 long travel buttons on the controller, which I'd already used up for the other pedals. All of the pedals are now finished and fully functional. Next up is the steering wheel. So I grabbed lots of Technic beams and tried to make a circle. But as we all know, making a perfect circle using Lego can be nearly impossible sometimes. I further built this structure using ordinary Lego bricks to neatly fill up the bottom part of the wheel. Then there were just a few more final touches to add, and that's the steering wheel finished. I then spent another hour trying to securely attach the steering wheel to the controller, and also building a structure underneath the desk to hold everything in place. The connection to the controller ended up working with a small gear and a gear rack.